Hello friends, in this video what I am going to tell you, I already told you about the VLE virtual learning environment software in which you can upload your lectures in the at the university level or at the your school level as well. So it's up to you. So what we can do over here is that how can we upload or how can we upload the assignment and how can we give quiz to the students. For example, if you have to give assignment on VLE or upload a assignment on VLE and students have to submit it, so how can you do that? So in this video I am going to tell you how can you uh, assign these types of works on this. So for example, I have a quiz today and I have to upload it as according to the assignment because I want to give numerical problem to the students and they have to solve it and submit it within the defined period of time. So if you want to upload the assignment, so the methodology will be the same, and for this type of quiz the methodology will remain same. Right now I am not telling you about how can you upload the quiz as a on VLE, because in if you are going to upload the MCQs based on numerical based quiz, so you have to select the option of the quiz. But I want students from that for example, I have to give them assignment or quiz and they will get that quiz or assignment, and then they have to download it and then they will solve it on the paper, for paper, and if they want to do it on the Word, and then they will upload it and then I will check it as an assignment. So how can I do that? So let's start. In this video, for example, I have a subject course in this semester, and it's winter course, and what I am going to do right now, because I have to upload the quiz to the students, I have class. So for example, this is engineering mechanics course, and right now in which course I have to give students assignment or quiz in the strength of material. I have already assigned them the assignment, and right now I have to give them quiz. So how can I do that? So let me tell you. For example, this today is 24th of December, and this period is from 21 to 27th of December, and I have to conduct the quiz today. So how can I do that? So first of all, we have to turn edit on. So you have to click on this button, and your mode will become to the will become to the turn on editing mode. And now I have to upload the assignment in this period, 21st December to 27th December. So I will go on the add an activity or resource. I have to click on this tab and I will go to click on the assignment. If you want to give the quiz MCQs based or numerical based and you wanted to solve it on the VLE as well, so you can give them quiz from here. So right now I am not going to give them quiz as a quiz on VLE. So I am going to give quiz as an assignment. So I will click on the assignment tab, and what I have to do, I will write down winter. Is its assignment name is winter strength of material quiz number 1, and whatever the topic is. So let's do it. What I am going to upload that file here. So I am going to click on the choose file tab, and for example I have to move on my desktop and I will go and click on the winter tab. And where is the winter folder? So let me tell you strength of material, and I have already made my quiz and I have converted into the PDF file. So I will click on this quiz and I will write it down here. Winter strength of material quiz number 1, quiz number 1. And I will upload this file. I will click on this tab and I will upload this file. So file is uploaded. Now what I have to do, allow submissions from. So obviously I will take quiz today and I will take their quiz on the I want quiz from within 1 hour or 2 hour. So allow submissions from 24th of December, and the time will be from, for example, I allow submission from 4:30. So for it will not be 4:30 because I am taking in the afternoon. So what I have to do in the evening, sorry. So it will 4:30 means 13 is 1, 14 is 2, 15 is 3, and 16. So for 16:30 it will be. So they will start. They have. I am giving them 30 minutes after the start of the quiz. For example, I will start the quiz at the 4 o'clock, and after 30 minutes they will start to submit it. So due date is 24th December, and the time will be, for example, I am giving them the time. I will give them margin because some students are living in the remote areas where they are having internet connectivity issues. So the date will remain same. So right now I am here putting it right that 6 o'clock they have to submit it. Due date is 24th December. The date will remain same, but timing will be changed. So it is 18. Then cutoff date, this margin student cannot see it, but I will provide them margin of 1 hour as well. So the date will remain same. So timing will be from, for example, I am giving 7 o'clock, 1 hour margin here. And the quiz is of around 1 hour, but I am giving 2 hours extra. 1 hour they is visible to them, that they can see 4:30 to 6 o'clock timing. And but 1 hour is extra for the submission if they are having internet connectivity issue, load shedding, any kind of problem they are having. So they have margin to submit the quiz, because I will not give extra time, or I will not I'm not going to take quiz again. So submission times, file submissions, and the maximum number of files will be, for example, obviously this is the quiz, so I will allow only 3 files. So maximum size submission 10 MB, it will remain same. PDF form, they have to submit the PDF document. Feedback types, comment in line, this will come where when I was checking it. So feedback types should be feedback comments on. Annotate PDF will be on. Submission settings, it is okay. Require students to click the submit button, yes. Require that a student accept the submission statement, or if I want to give them, or if I don't want to give them, it's up to you. Attempts reopen, never. I don't want to give them attempts to reopen. For example, if they have submitted the assignment and they are again they want to delete it, then they will delete it and again submit it. So I'm not going to give them this margin. So what is the group submission settings? No, I am not giving a quiz or assignment in the groups. So I said no. If you are giving it groups, for example, it's any type of project, so you can click on the yes tab. Notify graders about submissions, no. Notify graders about late submissions, no. Default setting for notify students, no. I'm not going to change these types of notifications. So here the quiz contains the mark point, and I'm taking it as point, and this is of 1 mark. And blind marking, no. Hide use marking flow workflow. Workflow is that what you when you will release it, so you should make it yes. So it will these settings will remain same. Now the main thing you have to do is the restricted second. Common module settings, I'm not going to change it. It will remain same. There is no need to touch it. Now restrict access. Restrict access is what? I am uploading the quiz right now, and this is right now 2:43, and I want this quiz to be visible to them at 4 o'clock. So I will add restrictions over here, and you can also put restrictions on the groups as well. For example, if you are giving a assignment or quiz to the section wise students, for example, you are taking quiz for the section A students, so you should mark a restriction for that. But right now what I am going to restricted date or timing, you can say. So student must match the following: 24th December 2020, and the quiz will be visible to them at 16 o'clock, means 4 o'clock. So 16:00 and 24th of December. So after 1 hour 15 minutes they will be able to see this quiz and they can download it. So I restricted it, so this is not visible to them and they will not click it. So activity completion, can manually mark the activity, there is no need to touch it. So expected completed on the date, timing is 2:35 is written over here, so there is no need to touch it. So right now, what when this quiz or assignment will be mentioned to them, to the students, at 4 o'clock. So how can we do that? So I am going to save and return to the course, or save and display, you can also click on it. So how can I do that? So this quiz is created over here, where winter strength of material quiz number 1, and there are 41 participants over here, and nobody submitted any type of assignment or quiz up till now. So it will be visible to them at 4 o'clock. So what I have to do, let me show you. I am going to the main page of my course, and you can see here that there is a quiz, and it is not blue. The other one is the purple color it is showing to you. What does it mean by that? It will be visible to them at 4 o'clock. So available from 24th December 4 o'clock. So it is not visible to the students. So let me check it again. So let me switch my role. So how can I switch my role? I will go on my name and I will switch role to. So I will become the student. So I can see whether student will be able to see the quiz or not. So you can see over here the color is gray color over here. So they are not allowed to watch this quiz up at before the 4 o'clock. So this will be visible to them at 4 o'clock, and they can submit this quiz up to 7 o'clock. So they are having 3 hours. So 1 hour for the make for doing solving the quiz, and 2 hours they is the margin to submit the quiz or upload it on the VLE. So this is the way you can generate the quiz or assignment. And for example, I have given this as an assignment, so I have given the 1 week time for the assignment. So for example, I have given this quiz for up till for 25th of December, but I have added 2 days extra. So that was cutoff date. So thank you so much. Hopefully it will be clear to all of you. And after looking at this, so you will not having problem, or watching this video, you will not having problem to see how to make quiz on or generate quiz on the in your subject. So it will be very helpful for you, or if you find it helpful, so must comment me in the chat box, so it will motivate me, and it will be the kind of feedback for me. Thank you so much, and hopefully you will get my point. Thank you so much. Bye bye.